What's going on? As you can see, this is my fishing rod. So I broke the guide tip off. It's the factory. It kept on going up and down. I launched it, and then for some, metal. Oh damn, it's not. So metal. Once you keep on twisting back and forth, we got getting weaker, and poof, it broke off. So this is what I got. My solution. I got this at Dick's Sporting Goods. It's the rod tip repair kit. They have two of these. They got this, the 3, and they got another one with different more sizes. It's like $6. There's 5 something with tax, whatever. And the other one's like $7, $8. Should have got the other one, but so yeah, I'm gonna try this out. Hopefully, fix my rod tip. I'm gonna go fishing tonight. So yeah, let's get it going. So you see, my rod tip is like bent it up. So I'm trying to squeeze it out to an oval, to a circular shape again. As you can see, I heated the glue up right here, it's a piece, and I just put it on the rod first, then I put on the tip, and I actually used a smaller one, so this one go inside a pole, not over it. So there you have it. The rod tip finally fixed. I think I'm just gonna leave that there. The little glue. It's also gonna give me my little indicator when my rod is bending. I actually see some light, when I do fish in the dark. So if I see that moving like that, the fish is on it. But yeah, this video help you out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.